they little. Some of y'all are little, so y'all might get knocked out by a 12-year-old. But hell, a 12-year-old boy can knock out a lot of people if they train right. Hence why Robin was deadly. You see what I'm saying? That boy said, "Hey, I can't come in playing. I gotta be swinging at grown men." Hell, you think he playing with those strikes? Hell nah, strike force on your ass. He over here getting 15-point bonuses for fucking efficiency. Shouts out to the motherfucking Damian Wayne one too, because that little boy was a killer. You see what I'm saying? That Batman had kids that was, he's like, I'm not a killer, but my son is. I ain't gotta do it. My son will. You see what I'm saying? He's like, Dad, who is this fuck motherfucker? Because they on their way out. On their way out. Shouts out to being on your way out, cause hell, we finna roll up this other blunt so that way we can go ahead and get on our way out. I ain't gonna try to hold y'all up too long today. I'm gonna get you in and get you out, right? Probably, maybe not. Shouts out to our video sponsors though. Y'all know to go check out the Superfood Parents every day this week. Yeah, just go look at them every day, whether they live or not. Just go on over there. You see what I'm saying? I'll endorse that part of the video. Oh my God, he's drinking Mountain Dew. Yes, it's Mountain Dew. Who gives a fuck? Hell, ain't no point in living a long ass life if you can't enjoy shit. Hell, rules were meant to be broken. Very much so. I mean, I'm sorry for the people that don't understand that concept. Okay, I did it. What? Am I going to jail or are you gonna shut the fuck up? I'm not going to jail. Shut the fuck up. Well, he just said something. Okay, I just said something. Shouts out to them people because they gonna have to remind y'all that the people are the people. Shouts out to we the people. Somebody had that tattooed on the other day. I saw it. I was like, I kind of respect that tattoo because I kind of understand that concept. Shouts out to DJ Is because he done popped up. Whenever you start talking about leaving, people be popping up on that chat. Hey, that's why I said here in like another 5-10 minutes we'll be up out of here, right? Nah. We'll have more people popping up because we done used one of his cheat codes. Shouts out to that big homie though. He know that one always make me laugh because I be watching and seeing the shit happening. Like watch popcorn. I'm gonna tell you. Once I start talking about leaving, watch how people show up. Soon as you be out here talking about let me get ready to go, they be coming in. It's like Tyree said, every time I try to leave, some keep holding me back. Shouts out to y'all with the R&B. Speaking of which, I do still gotta go over to DJ Tanya house and watch her video from last night because that's something I didn't do. And she probably like, where the fuck is Spider Pig at? My nigga ain't came through. He ain't, you know what I'm saying, said nothing in the chat yesterday. Yeah, I was kind of on missing in action status last night. uh, Went ahead and went to bed early. It was like shortly after DJ Is got off. I was like, let me go ahead and call it that day because I've been not too active but active enough. Hell, the hell, we already know that it's in my playlist on my things to watch. Probably on two phones. Shout out to having multiple fucking syndications because you know we got Spider Pig, we got the Cultivation channel. Popcorn NFG's technically a retired channel now. He had 100,000 views and said I quit. You ain't finna work the shit out of me. You ain't finna work the shit out of me. We got 100,000 views with like 300 videos over there, or whatever the count is. You said that looks good enough for me. I'm done. Yeah. Moderator number one. Cause you know we got multiple phones. We got Pig in that building too, but he lurking. Cause you know we had our Super Saturday video over there. He's like, I had my turn, I did my thing. You see what I'm saying? If the people come, they come. Hell, I think Pig actually gonna have a good run over there because we done switched him up to live Super Saturdays. So y'all already know how that go. Yeah, live Super Saturdays. One of these days I'm gonna come